Okay, so pricing procedure means the main concept of pricing procedure is a combination of different types of charges like gross price, freight charges, discount, and surcharges extra. So this is the condition types like gross price. What is gross price means only material cost without any discount, any shipping charges, or any discount, nothing. Only gross price means it's a only material, no tax amount, anything, nothing. Only gross price means only the material cost. Next is the freight. Freight means it's shipping charges, discount, and surcharges, any additional charges for that. So this is the sum of the standard condition types. See, generally, gross price means base price of materials. That means it's without any discount, without any tax amount, without any shipping charge, only material cost. Net prices means after gross price plus duties, any additional charges or tax amount will come. Net price means effective price means after net prices, surcharges plus discount. So this is the price types are there. Like gross price is there, net price is there, effective price is there. Examples, you take our CTC grass. So total and our salary is a grass will come. Then CTC will come. Then it will be take home will come. Net. Okay. So the like that same here also grass net price effective prices. So grass is there, net is there, deduction. After that finally what is the by hand we are getting that is taken. So here the effective price means the after everything what is the cost for material that will come under as a effective prices. Okay, this is the pricing types: gross price, net price, effective prices. Okay, generally when we creating purchase order, okay, so what the combinations we selecting when we creating purchase order? Company code it is mandatory, plant is mandatory, materials is mandatory, vendor is mandatory, correct? So when we taking these combinations and creating purchase order, okay, so automatically the prices has to come. Materials, when we selecting materials, when we selected a vendor, so automatically in purchase order how automatically it's coming means it's a backend configuration. This is the pricing procedure. See, first we have to maintain one condition table. So condition tables means under condition tables what are the combinations we are selecting, like company code is there, plant is there, vendor is there, the purchase organization is there, vendor it is there. So whatever we wanted combinations, we can select that. We can maintain one condition table. So what are the condition table you combinations, this pricing procedure will be applicable. Anyway, we'll see practically, then you will understand. So first we have to create one condition table. Okay, so this I will remove here. That's okay. See, condition table here, the purchase organization and purchase group is the plant is there, and vendor is there, material is there, company code. These the combinations. We will select this all together. We will make one condition table. Under this condition table, so whatever we creating configuration for pricing procedure, it will be applicable. See, pricing procedure, it is a which pricing procedure? D1 to 3 my pricing procedure. Here plant is there. Which plant? D1 P1 is my plant. Vendor is there. XYZ. Materials Dell laptop. When I'm selecting material Dell laptop, vendor XYZ, purchase organization D1 to 3, so automatically in prices will come in purchase order. No need to be enter manually. So info record is there, but info record is for one vendor, one materials we can do. But here one material 100 vendors you can update. Wow, it's one shot with the pricing. So all the different vendors, no need to be enter manually one by one. We can update in bulk data, or maybe we can upload it one materials with some multiple vendors. What is the cost in one time itself? Then whenever you feature you creating purchase order, now vendor XYZ Dell laptop, the 10,000. Next to vendor 1 to 3, Dell laptop 25,000. So automatically when we created this combination, 25,000 will come purchase order automatically. No need to be entered manually. So how we have to maintain these configurations with the combination of condition table. Okay, now we'll see practically in system. Okay, SPRO, reference IMG, materials management. Okay, under that purchasing. Okay, under purchasing conditions here, under conditions. Okay, define price determination process. Okay, here first we have to create a first maintain condition table. After this condition table, we will go back here about steps. First we have to create one condition table. Okay, this condition table T code is a M/03 T code. Okay, so go to just double click, create changes display, everything is same. Okay, just double click, create here. This table number you can give any 3 digit above 500 to 1000 below. That is a standard. You can give anything you wanted. Roughly you can blindly you can give whatever you wanted. 3 digits only, numeric above 500 to 999 below. That's examples. So if you enter 452 some, so 452, system will say enter. See, enter table between 501 to 999. We can give anything here. Anything, if let's example 661 table is there. If you want to do copy the from 660 table, you previous you create a table, you can enter here 660 table. So what are the combination you selected? So it will be copied to new table here. So I will go here, just see. 808, you can give anything. So it's a table, it's already there. Okay, 821. Okay, 802 is also there. It's a demo system, right? Lot of people sort of they practice it. Okay, 829, 849. Okay, 843. I'm creating tables. So why we need to create condition tables? So we need to be select here combinations, field catalogs. Whatever I am selecting here under this table, combination only, the pricing procedure will be applicable. Anyway, you will understand at least 2-3 steps after 15-20 minutes, then you will understand. Okay, so here the catalogs, field catalogs are there. We can choose whatever we want. For making one PO, let's example, see, see, vendor is important here field. Then coming to here organization data, purchase organization, company code important, materials is important, plant is important. So this is the key main point fields. You can choose anyone you wanted. Whether if you want to create metal group is there, our own metal group we can select. So I will say I will select here the first, here it alpha will be there here, alphabetical A B C D like that series will come. So first I will select company code. Once you double click here, it will come this left side. Okay. So company code here, the page up and down we should be used. The cursor it will not come up and down, left or right. You just use page up and down, or here it is the next page something, or last page, or previous pages. So better you can use a page up and down. So now I selected a company code, then I'm going page down. So here nothing, I don't want any combinations here, just continue. See here, if so many are there, if you were based on our configurations, we can take like materials, it is there. Okay, I will select here. Plant is there, we can select. Okay, so then purchase organization is there, we can select. If we don't want to vendor select, no problem, we can leave that, it's not required. So vendor is a mandatory field for creating purchase order. So if anyone thinks like plant, some companies they will select to 6 or 7 combination also, but minimum at least company code, material, plan to vendor is mandatory. Even the purchase organization maybe it's optional, we can, but majority cases company code, material, plan to purchase organization, vendor will select. So vendor will come last, page down you can see vendor here. Okay, now if you don't want to be vendor or purchase organization, put on cursor here, here delete is there, you can delete if you don't want to add, or if you want to add any another field, you can add here, like in this catalogs field. After you selecting whatever fields you wanted for creating purchase order, so select here, then go to generate here. If you click here generate, system will ask you, do you want to create a condition table or generate? Yes, you can give. Okay, then copy. Okay, and the specify the package for flags, so local object, it will say just to continue confirm this, and you can copy here local object. Just click this, that's it. See now this is the combinations. Now company code D123, materials, laptop, plant D1PM, purchase order D123, vendor. We can create n number of, anyway you will understand. Just so now we create one condition table. Under condition table, this is the field selections we are doing. So now our field is 843, table number here. So our table A, that is a table A means it's a number. Table A 843 has been saved. You just keep it somewhere what the tables we creating here, because we need to be remember that 843 is a table. So what are the combination we selected? So first how we selected, enter the same way, otherwise don't get confusions. First I selected company code. Okay, then material. Okay, then plant. Okay, then purchase organizations and vendor. This is the, there is a table number. Under table, this is the field combinations. Okay, this now we created. Next, go back. Here change display is there. If you want to add a few more fields or change display, we can go here combinations. Okay, after maintain condition table, then we have to go to access sequence. So what is access sequence means? Definition. See, the main concept of access sequence is a, it's such condition records for condition type from the condition table. So what is the condition record? PB00. What is the gross for these materials? What is the purchase organization? What is the vendors? So here the such define access sequence means it's the main concept of access sequence is search the condition record. This is one company code one record, materials is with record. See, condition record for condition types, PB00 gross price. So what are the combinations? Company code, material, plan to, it will say this is the condition type, search for the condition table. Under this table, okay, under condition table, this is the combination of fields. See here, search means, that means the condition type PB00 gross price for materials. What is the materials here? What we material entered here. Field we taken, but still we didn't enter materials. We will see later that is. Okay, so here one access sequence can contain or can contain one or multiple condition tables we can assign. Now 643 we created. Again, sorry, 843 we can assign to the multiple access sequence if we want to do the standard one, that is a combination. The condition, it search the condition record for condition type from condition table. This is define access sequence. This condition access sequence T code is a M/03. Okay, access sequence is 4 characters length, numeric or alpha, whatever you want. Go to define access sequence. Okay, just when you log in, this table is a cross client. You just continue. Okay, so this is existing condition access sequence. Okay, so we'll go to directly create numeric or alpha, directly new entries, no need to be copied, there is no any standard one. Just go to new entries here. Okay, we can enter here whatever you wanted, numeric or alpha, 4 characters length. Let's what we'll give. Okay, okay, K 999, you can whatever you wanted. Okay, here K 999. Okay, access sequence. Okay, enter. Then select line item. You can give whatever you wanted. Select line item, go to access. Just double click this access. New entries under that. Here number is 10. SAP standard number is 10. Serial number 1, 2, 3 like that. But here in SAP is 10. So here table is there. So what we created condition table before M/03 843 we created. A table number needs to be enter here table. So 843. Or if you we can search here also. In case if you remember that, just here we'll go to see here. Company code, material, plant, purchase organization, vendor. Just select this one. Okay, enter. What combinations we are second, so automatically descriptions will come here. Again, select line item, go to fields mapping. This what we need to, why we need to be do fields map means this is field we selected, but this field selections to the in ABAP what with the fields we need to be map that. Just double click this one. Just enter, select and maybe double click fields there, you just maybe enter price. Just keep on press 2-3 times enter, then it will come. See company code PUKRS, we need by heart this one. Last time we saw like a plan to WER case in release procedure. So have you tried that PR for release procedure?
Yes, sir.
You got that release strategy tab for pricing procedure?
Yes, sir. I got.
You got it, huh?
Yes, sir.
So this is the fields. So company code BUKRS, materials is MATNR, works is a plan to EKROG is a purchase organization, LIFNR is vendor. What we take in combinations, we just mapping these fields to the document fields. This is from the conditions like it is in the ABAP technical teams words. This is our MM functional teams we will take. We just map the fields. Okay, then we can save. Now we created here access sequence table. We just enter K 999 here. We need to just note down somewhere. It will be, we need going steps. Okay, just continue. Okay, next go back. Next is the defined condition types. So condition types is a M/06. Okay. See, condition types, it's a simple terms is a condition type is used to the different types of charges like gross price, discount, freight, and report process. And this report means again it is like SD people they will use. What is report means examples when we first time we dealing with vendor, so you we purchasing bulk like maybe what you will say, see August 1st to till this year end. So we are going to purchasing for 10,000 pieces from any one materials. So we need some discount for the because we purchasing 10,000 pieces. It's a bulk order. So vendor will say, so first time we transaction with them. So you will say, see, this is the first time you purchasing. So what we'll do? Okay, this till year end, if you completed 1,000 pieces, then I will give some discount to you. Not now. Once you after purchase, so after purchasing what he will give, so you will say some discount. If you buy in 10,000 per piece is a 5% discount something. So you will give that is report processing. After 10,000 pieces we purchase it, when we make the payment to vendor after payment, okay, vendor is giving back to us, that is what is a discount amount, that is report processing. Generally this we will deal with this kind of business scenarios in SD team, sales and distributors from the customers. Very rare in vendors too, but most of the cases in vendors we will not buy this kind of transactions. We will use this in SD peoples. Okay, so discount or maybe I will add here, yes, discount to gross price and CIGOs. Okay, see all the standard here. So once you click here, define conditions, you will get like this table. Again, just define condition table or PB00, all these standard conditions here it will be there. So PB00 how it is coming from. So we here the table is a standard. If we do combination here, do configuration here, when you're creating purchase order in condition tab will be there. Here let's examples any I will show you ME22N. See here conditions. So we will get we okay. Somebody's changed it, no problem. What is the reason it is coming this error? If you remember anything.
Characteristic length, sir.
Uh-huh.
The material number is longer than.
Where we
Sir,
need.
it's Abacus. Some standards is there, sir.
Uh-huh.
Abacus standards, sir. Standards.
From where? Which field T code? Remember anything?
T code metal.
What
metal
is
number is long.
number?
Sir, length this one, sir.
Which one? Tell me.
The material characteristics length, sir.
What is the T code? What is the characters length SAP standard? Materials master. I'm saying that directly. I'm
Yes, sir.
giving.
Material in material master only, sir.
Okay. What is the characters length?
MMG OMS, sir.
OM?
OMS OMSY, sir.
No. OMS is correct. Only one word we say.
OMS length, sir. OMSL.
Correct. See, OMSL, somebody is done. Actually, the characters length should be in 18 characters. But here, somebody is here 14 characters. Somebody has changed this characters length. So that is the reason we got that error. OMSL T code. Okay, that is the characters length. See now, So we will do configuration PB00 SKTO cash discount, where how it will coming here. So we will do the configurations here in this step. We will do configurations here our own condition types, then we will get here condition tabs. But each and every conditions, like example PB00 means it's a gross price, RA01 discount, FRA1 freight charges, like each everything, it's each and every condition type have a own definition it is there. As per client request, we will creating condition types in use. Sometimes the client he will say, so I don't want to be standard way, can we create a new condition types? So based on client requirement or business requirement, we will do the configurations. Otherwise we will go for standard prices combinations here, like a standard price conditions, condition types. So if the client he will say, I don't want to be standard PB00, okay, so enter PB00, okay, select line item here, okay, go to copy as, we need to be, so standard we will copy here, condition types of 4 characters length, whether numeric or alpha, whatever we wanted. So we need to be changed here. Let's examples K9, sorry, uh, K901 one conditions. So I will create here gross price. So I will just make, I will note it down here. See conditions K901. Instead of PB00, we creating K901. Okay, so just go to here K901. Here access sequence it is there. See what we created access sequence. That means, so we created, okay, K999. I think what is we created here. Yes, see here K999. See under that, first we create a condition table. So now access sequence. See now PB00 for this company code, material, plant, purchase organization, vendor. For which vendor, which purchase organization? Again, we have to maintain separately for maintain condition record. That will come later steps. So now instead of PB00, KA01 for applicable, this company code, this materials, plant, and these combinations. Under this K99, K999 is my condition, access sequence. So now we need to be enter here access sequence K999. What we entered. This is again standard, again whatever it feels there, no need to be changes anything. So just edit the condition types and access sequence what we created, just enter and save. Okay, save. Okay, now we'll go back. Okay, so now we'll go to next to discount. Generally any vendor will give like a material, after that material discount and shipping charges. Now shipping charges, so discount for conditions, so RA000 standard. Actually this is RA01 is a standard condition types, but here demo system somebody changed promo cash discount something, but actually RA01 should be their standard. Okay, discount on gross price. Okay, so that is a standard condition types here also. Standard, but somebody's changed. Even the real time, if anybody will ask what is the standard gross price, discount on gross price condition type means RA01, you should tell. Okay, now I'm going to create here K902. 901 for gross price, 902 is a discount. So what I will do, select line item, go to copy as, okay, so K902, okay, discount on gross. Again we need to be change this access sequence to whatever the combinations we are taking, K999. Okay, enter and save. So how many conditions we can create? Access sequence should be common to all the condition types. Now I taken two condition types. One is gross price, This one is gross price. Second condition type is a discount on gross. Now I'm taking shipping charges. Shipping charges is FRA1 is a standard. Okay, select line item, go to copy as. Okay, K903 I will enter, right? Or maybe I will enter here shipping charges. Okay. See, access sequence should be common K999. Enter and save. Okay, so now I can enter here K903. Okay, then save. Now three conditions we taken. I will go back. Next, so define limits and exclusions indicators is not mandatory. We will not do. We will go for next is a define calculation schema. Okay, so M/08. This is one of the important step. M/08. See, conditions record contains the record which is maintained against condition table with regards to condition types. Now what we created condition table, what we created condition types, so all together we have to maintain here condition calculation, maintain the condition types in this step. It can be fetched and is searching the access sequence and condition types. Prices, how it will be picking, I mean what is the percentage, what is the, I mean percentage will come next. So what are the we selected here combinations condition types we are going to maintaining under this step. So that is define calculation schema. Okay, so here this is a tax procedure or calculation procedure we can say. This is the 6 characters length will be the numeric or alpha whatever. So let's go to new entries. I will create here K999 only I will give. So instead of here, so we can give anything here, just I'm giving K999, easy to remember to me. So that is the reason I'm giving number here. Okay, enter here the calculation procedure or calculation schema also you can enter whatever you want, or maybe calculation procedure or calculation schema. Okay, enter. Select line item, go to control data, just double click, go to new entries. See, this is 16 tables, so maybe we remember at the time of tax code creations, same table only we created, we used it there. But here, this is some of, we will get some more informations here. See, we should be remember the 16 fields, very important. Even the pricing procedure under calculation schema, what are the 16 fields interview they will ask. The step to counter, calculation type, sorry, condition type, description, from, to, this is M is a manual, R is required, S is statistics, P is a print, S this is subtotal, this is requirement to calculation type, base type, this is account key and accruals. This last two is related to F items because which GL account has to trigger during this process they created for these two related informations to F items. Okay, now we see the step here 10. Okay, standard what we created conditions here K901 first. So I will enter here, then I will tell you. Just wait 5 minutes. I will finish the other. So total is 9. Okay, and see, so this is instead of PB00, we created K901 as a gross price. Instead of PB RA01 for discount, we created KN902. This is our own condition types. Okay, just 1 second. I will explain this in detail. I will save. Then I'll come back. Okay, see. Now discount on gross price. So discount is coming from step is this is line item, but discount means from which line item or which what is the materials line item. See, gross price is materials. This is column that is 10. So gross price coming discount on gross. Here gross price means this is which is that step is 10. So I entered here 10. Again net prices, this we will comes with gross only will come, discount it will not consider at discount prices. See here net price also what we entered here, gross price, here net price means gross price plus taxes, duties, anything like here. So it will come net prices means after gross only will come, they will not consider discount and all. Discounts coming from the total, here shipping charges based on it will come, I mean the total. This is, see, gross is coming from the I mean condition, discount on gross is coming from the 10. See the net price is coming from the 10 only. 20 it is coming after discount. Net price, this is effective prices after net prices. Additional is discount, this is 20 plus shipping charges will come. That is here is a 10 10 10 30 is coming. This 20 means it's a gross amount and serial number. This 40 is coming from the shipping charges serial number. This is step. So from where to shipping it is coming, from where to discount is coming, from where to total amount it is coming. This is the serial numbers. Okay, subtotal is 9. So 9 means again gross value. So this gross price is a teams will say here the subtotal is a 9 is a gross value. This is abapers, they will use this word instead of gross price. They will in technical side they will call as a gross value. Okay, it will come. Okay, this account key FR1 FRE means it's a shipping charges from where it is in purchasing clearance. FR1 is a purchasing, FR1 FR sorry, FR1 is a freight clearing, FRE is a freight clearing, I mean freight purchasing account. FR1 is a freight clearing charges and FRE is a freight purchasing account assignment. This is related to FI, which GL account has to trigger during this I mean doing these transactions when we using the condition types. What are the GL account in shipping charges? What is the GL account in freight charges? What is the clearing GL accounts? What is that here? Okay, just you can select this and you can enter FR1 and FRE. Okay, these fields you should remember, these 16 fields are there, you should remember this. Okay, so then we'll go back. Okay, next is define schema group. Just double click this one. Okay, schema group purchase organization and schema group to purchase assignments. There are 3 steps are there. See here, whatever we creating schema group vendor 2 characters length, that should be assigned to vendor master data. That we will see this T code is, see, schema group vendor is T code is OMFN. Okay, 2 characters length this is, whether you can use for numeric or alpha, whatever you want. Just click this schema group. Okay, go to new entries here. No need to be copy anything, directly enter whatever you wanted. I'm planning to enter K. Okay, go to new entries, K9 I will create. Here schema group vendor. If you want, we can enter here our company code, enter or schema group vendor. Just enter, save. So you can maintain here what we created. K9 is a schema group vendor. Next to schema group purchase organizations. This T code is a OMFM. So here it will come. Second step. Just go back. Schema group or purchase organization. These 4 characters length, numeric or alpha, we can give here. See, go to schema group. I mean new entries directly. See, I will go for K9 only. So instead of giving another name, I need to be remember the schema group purchaser. That is the reasons. So here schema group purchase organizations. You can give whatever. Just enter and save. Now we'll go back. Assignment of schema group to purchase organization. Here what we created K9, that needs to be assigned to my purchase organization D1 to 3. Just double click this one. Okay, go to position. This T code is a OMFP. This one, assignment of schema group to purchase organization OMFP. Okay, go to purchase organization D1 to 3. Yes, schema group purchase organization double jet it is there. So I created just K9 what we created here before steps here. So I given K9 here also to easy to remember for me. So that is the reasons. Okay, enter and save. Okay, this schema group vendor what we created here K9 I created here. Okay, this K9 needs to be assigned to here what we combinations we selected here. See, we taken here 843 under vendor is there. Which vendor? That needs to be assigned. Later we will come after 5 minutes. Okay, now okay, one more, define schema determination. This T code is a OMFO. This one, define schema determination OMFO. Under that, sorry, yeah, schema determination. Just under that, determine calculation schema for standard purchase order is the first one. Okay, determine calculation schema for standard purchase order. Just double click, go to new entries. Okay, schema group purchase organizations. What we created schema group purchase organization here K9. So I'm going to enter K9 here. The schema group vendor. What we created here, K9. So I need to be K9. And purchase. Here the procedure, calculation procedure. What we created calculation procedure here. This. So here. Calculation procedure or calculation schema, K999. I need to be enter here K999. Okay, enter and save. Okay. Next, see now we have to maintain conditioned records next. So we done this here, determine calculation scheme of standard purchase order. Next we have to do the maintain conditioned records. The T code is a MEK1. Okay, if now here whatever we created here, see K01, K901. So here gross price for which one is now we'll see. You will come to know. So slash and MEK1. Here condition type. So first our condition type is K901. Enter. See here, company code, material, plan to purchase organization, vendor. This is we taken combinations. Under this, see what is the combinations we have taken? Company code, material, plant, purchase organization, vendor. See here, company code. I need to enter D123. Material. Okay, so here we can choose any one material. Let's in our list of materials, we can use anything, or maybe laptop Sony. Okay. Okay. Next plant D1 P1. Purchase organization D123. Here vendor C. Now you can enter 100 vendors also for this material laptop cost. Let's examples one vendor. Bangalore vendor, next second vendor Bangalore 2, 1 second, okay, next Bangalore vendor 3, Bangalore vendor 4. So multiple vendors. What is the cost for this laptop? When you creating purchase order for Bangalore vendor 1, this combinations Sony laptop Sony, automatically PO will get the prices. When you selecting Bangalore vendor 3, so what you enter price here, then automatically PO, in that PO prices automatically will come. So let's see how it will work out. And so Bangalore vendor 1, vendor is giving, let's examples 30,000. This vendor is giving 35,000. Okay, this vendor is giving 40,000. So this vendor is giving 45,000. Okay, enter. When you enter, see currency, this INR, unit per piece cost, unit of measure PC, INR, this is valid from. Again, if you want to change the prices also, like today day to, sir, maybe August 1st to August 31st, 30,000. Then September 1st again, Bangalore vendor 1, if you want to enter 35,000, we can change these values from 1 to here. So automatically the PO will get that. Like maybe in Amazon, Flipkarts, they will say for 3-4 days it's a sales they will give. So how they will give, they will mention their databases, materials, each and material. So the what is the percentage between 3-4 days, then accordingly the valid from based on that the PO at the time of pick the prices. So now we can save. So this is we created for gross price. So now again we'll go back. The second conditions what we created, discount we done KA not 2. See, now we need to be enter KA not 2 here. Then automatically the combinations what we selected, see it will come like a PO, like sorry, company code, materials, plan to purchase organic. In case vendor is giving discount, we can maintain here. Otherwise, no need to be maintained here. You can leave blank also. Let's say examples, Bangalore vendor. Okay, he is giving 3% discount. Next, Bangalore 3, he is giving 2%. So we can give whatever you wanted. So Bangalore 2 vendor is giving 5%, or maybe you enter 3, and Bangalore this vendor is 1. Okay, he is giving also 4%. Okay, see, percentage discount means it will come minus because it will be deducted from the gross prices. That is the reason minus will come. Here the percentage unit of measure, and this is account calculation type is here. And from and to, this is the dates. So today we creating these conditions, so that is a valid from date is coming dates. Okay, save. Now shipping charges, third conditions. Okay, KN03. Okay, so all the vendors, let's examples, they're giving 2% or 3%. You can enter. Let's all the vendors 2%, each and every vendor. Just roughly I'm entering. Okay, again that's valid from 1 to will come. Next, save. Now condition records is saved. See, whatever we entered here, vendor, these vendors, Bangalore vendor 1, Bangalore 2, Bangalore 3, Bangalore 4 vendors, whatever we created schema group vendor here, K9 needs to be assigned. Then only PO will come in whatever we given conditions. Okay, so interview they will ask definitely this question. In pricing procedure, how prices automatically pick, or maybe in purchase order, how the pricing procedure will be pick the conditions means the combination of schema group vendor, schema group purchase organization. With these two combinations, here, see, schema group purchase organization, what we created, schema K9, we assigned to here D123 is our purchase organizations. We assigned both here to my purchase organizations. So that is the reason prices automatically will come in purchase order prices. So how in purchase order automatically prices will coming in pricing procedure means the combination of schema group vendor, schema group purchase organization with these two combinations. Okay, let's examples. Now we'll see here. So xk02, anyone what we maintain here conditions here, xk02. Okay, so Bangalore vendor 4, in case purchase data, just enter. See here schema group vendor is there. So here what we created K9 we need to be enter here. Just enter, will be save. So now we Bangalore vendor we enter. In case if you not enter Bangalore 1 vendor 2 3, so whatever prices we entered it will not come. So we will show you that is also. Now if I will create here ME21N. Okay, so vendor Bangalore vendor 4. Okay, purchase organizations, purchase group, company code, material, laptop, Sony. Okay, 5 pieces. Delivery date 15th or maybe 18th. Okay, currency INS. I will not enter prices. Automatically should come. B1 P1. So I enter. See, prices automatically came 43,650. How it is coming? We already maintained their conditions. If you see here conditions, click here. So you will get here K K901. This is what we created conditions. See, vendor is giving gross price 45,000, 3% discount to. After that, 43,650 is net prices plus 2% discount to, shipping charges. It will be coming total 44,550 per piece cost. How it is coming? What we combinations schema group vendor. See now examples Bangalore vendor any one vendor. Now I will create another screen here. Purchase at the same materials. So we need to be enter manually. That's examples. ME21N. Here Bangalore vendor 3 in case. Okay, same materials. So system will asking. So we need to be enter manually. Okay, just example 3 pieces. Currency INR. See, system will, we need to be enter manually. PB00 here, whatever we wanted. System will take that because schema group vendor in this vendor databases we are not assigned. So that is the reason system is asking manually entries here. If you enter here Bangalore vendor 4 vendor schema group vendor what we created K9, see in XK02 Bangalore vendor 3 purchasing data. Under that schema group vendor here K9 what we created, just enter save. Now we'll see purchase order ME21N. Okay, Bangalore vendor 43 purchase organization D123 group company code material. Okay, PO quantity, let's say some 3 pieces. Delivery date, price I will not enter. Currency INR also no need to, automatically will come. Okay, DP1 storage location. See now. See 39,200 after discount, that is 40,000 is a material cost, 2% cash discount. So 39,200 plus 2% shipping charges. It will again 40,000. So this 40,000 where we entered in schema group vendor condition types in XK0, sorry, MEK1 we enter here. MEK2 creation is MEK1 changes K2 display K3. Now MEK2 if I will enter, so change conditions here shipping charges, gross price. See again this is the vendor valid from, okay, just enter or go to execute here.
So this is only for laptops only, na sir?
So this is one material.
If you want to enter another material means, sir?
Another materials, then we have to choose combination here. Here only how you selected here, the same way will come here. Company code materials. Materials if come last here, then you can enter multiple vendors there. So how you selecting here conditions here table. See now I selected here company code. If you enter here materials, let's examples vendor column is there here. So here it will come materials, last column. Then this vendor, 100 vendors, 100 materials, you can enter here material, you can enter column prices. Let's examples. Materials column here. So laptop cost here. Next to hard disk cost, that is something. So RAM, next to laptop bag, something or whatever is going to supply, you can enter here n number of materials. Here vendor will come. One vendor, multiple materials. Here the combination materials is same. Here multiple vendors.
Vendors. Okay.
So based on you selecting here combinations, the table conditions will be displayed here.
Okay.
Okay. So now create this purchase order. Okay, 234 PO number. So now we'll go to normal next Migo. Okay, 234. Okay, see, Sony laptop, Sony 3 materials. Okay, post. Okay, this GL account issue, somebody is changed it, so that is the reason it is not active. No problem. So you can fix this. Is GL means we should find our team only. Sometimes will come, this is demo system, somebody is changed it here, that is the reasons we got. Post it, then you'll go to Miro and you can submit. That's it. Okay, so here this is the condition types, very carefully we have to do here. Like what is the conditions? If you selected company code vendor materials, if you selected last in this here, then you can m number of vendors. Vendor is same. So what are the materials is going to supplying? We can enter here columns, but materials should be there in first in our databases. So without materials, we cannot directly enter here also, correct? So we need to be first to create materials in our database. Then you can come back here, enter n number of materials and one vendor, what is the cost for that. So when you creating purchase order, this materials vendor combination automatically will come. Okay.
Okay.
This is the pricing procedure. So next class I will shall I ask you questions next class, Wednesday?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I will ask Wednesday questions. Then we will, a small topic is there, automatic PO creation or 15 minutes, 20 minutes, that is topic. I will finish that and then I will ask questions. Okay.
Okay.
This I will send it to you. You can practice.
Okay, sir.
Chalo.